Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. It's quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom menu and tap on the My Stuff tab. Next, tap on the settings icon usually found in the top right corner. Now scroll down a little and tap on My Account. This will take you to your account management section. In this menu, you'll see an option called Manage Account. Tap on it. Here, you'll find the option that says End Subscription in Play Store. Tap on that and it will redirect you to the Google Play Store where your Amazon Prime subscription is being managed. From there, you can easily cancel the auto-renewal or end the subscription entirely with just a couple of taps. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.